Welcome to Louisville, Kentucky's largest city, seated on the Ohio River along the Indiana border. Every May, its racecourse Churchill Downs hosts the Kentucky Derby. Louisville, Kentucky, a place where families can get together. Just go! Hello, friends. I'm your host, Jaleesa, and today we're entering the Bourbon City here in the Bluegrass State. Louisville has a population of over 618,000 and still rising. Let's explore what brings people to this lovely city. Right off the bat, we end up at Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. Let's step up to the plate and get cracking. Are you guys ready? Follow me inside. Take a glance at some of the greatest baseball players in the U.S. to ever play the game. Over 3,000 bats have been made here and stored inside the vault. Each bat has been stamped with a letter and a number representing the last name of the player and number made within their last name. You also get a chance to experience the feeling of getting struck out from an MLB player. Step up to the plate and he winds up and strike. And just like that, we are out. Let's take a first-hand look at the amazing process that goes into making these patented Louisville Slugger bats. Over 1.8 million bats are made here right before your eyes. And the best part of it all, each person receives their own personalized bat. How cool is that? Next, we step into the ring at the Muhammad Ali Center, a nonprofit museum and cultural center dedicated to boxer Muhammad Ali. The 6-story, 96,750 square feet museum is located in the city's West Main district. The center is not just an experience, but a journey into the heart of a champion. The 3 levels of exhibits and galleries invite visitors to explore Muhammad Ali's legendary life, as well as to reflect upon one's own individual values, inner strength, character, and what makes you the greatest person you can be. Let's coast our way over to Kentucky Kingdom for some thrills and excitement. Kentucky Kingdom and Hurricane Bay is a seasonal amusement and water park with both thrills and children rides, plus water slides and wave pools. It is owned by Kentucky State Fair Board and operated by Hershey Family Entertainment. The park includes 6 breathtaking roller coasters, Lightning Run, Roller Skater, Storm Chaser, T3, and Thunder Run, and my personal favorite, the Kentucky Flyer. This high-flying wooden roller coaster takes you through 12 turbulent airtime moments in 1,280 feet of fun. This coaster made its appearance on April 28, 2019 to celebrate Kentucky Kingdom's 30th anniversary. Reaching speeds up to 35 miles an hour, it invites all to take a seat and a ride. Throw your hands up if you dare and enjoy rapid turns and hills as you breeze through. This coaster only lasts a minute, but the excitement will feel like a lifetime. This is a place for the whole family to enjoy. I should know, because that's me right there, holding on for dear life. Galloping in next is the ever so popular Churchill Downs. Churchill Downs is a horse racing complex located in South Louisville and is famed for hosting the annual Kentucky Derby. It opened in 1875 and was named for Samuel Churchill, whose family was prominent in Kentucky. Take a tour of the glamorous museum while at the racetrack. This legendary landmark should definitely be one of your visits while touring Louisville. Last but not least is the highly entertaining 4th Street Live. 4th Street Live is a 350,000 square foot entertainment and retail complex located on 4th Street between Liberty and Muhammad Ali Boulevard. Be sure to visit the premier dining and entertainment destination located in the heart of downtown. Well, friends, that's a wrap. But I'm sure no matter how you pronounce it, Louisville or Louisville, you're sure to have a good time. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time. Louisville, Kentucky, a place where family and friends can get together. Just go! Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.